Welcome back to Excel with Mark, and today we're going to be looking at how we can quickly and easily move data within Excel. So the way that a lot of people move data is to click on a cell, press Ctrl and C, and then potentially press Ctrl and V, placing the data wherever they want to do. You can see that with this it creates issues, or you can just paste the values in and you'll be able to copy that straight over. One of the easiest ways if you want to move a kind of batch of data or anything like that over is you can select the data that you want to move, and then when you hover over the green part of the cell, if you see where it changes to the arrows, you can click that and we can move that to wherever we want to do, like so, clicking and dragging. Using this technique then we're able to click a whole column, and again just wait until the arrows move and we can move the column over and press Ctrl and Z to move it back, or we can select the whole row and again wait until the arrows show and we can move the whole row down to wherever we want to do. Obviously you can see within this is different formulas and stuff that kind of kick in and stuff, but if you just had a plain piece of data that you're looking to move around, then hopefully this helps you, and thanks a lot for watching.